How to quit smoking. Are you ready to give up smoking? These recommendations will assist you in quitting smoking for good. Why is quitting so hard? We're all aware of the dangers of smoking, but it doesn't make quitting any easier. If you're a once-in-a-while teen smoker or a lifelong pack-a-day smoker, quitting is difficult. Tobacco use is both a physical and psychological addiction. Cigarettes contain nicotine. When you stop having your nicotine dose, your body goes through physical withdrawal symptoms and craves. Hence, you can turn to cigarettes as a fast and reliable way to improve your mood, relieve stress, and relax due to nicotine's feel-good effect on the brain. Smoking can also be a coping mechanism for depression, anxiety, and boredom. Seeking new healthy ways to deal with those emotions is part of quitting. To effectively quit smoking, you must fix both the addiction and the related behaviors and routines. With the proper support and quit plan, any smoker can kick the addiction, even if you've tried and failed multiple times before. Questions to ask yourself. Take some time to decide what sort of smoker you are, as well as when and why you need a cigarette. This will assist you in deciding which tips, methods, or treatments are most suitable for you. Are you a very heavy smoker? Or are you more of a social smoker? Would a simple nicotine patch do the job? Are there certain activities, places, or people you associate with smoking? Do you feel the need to smoke after every meal or whenever you have a break for coffee? Do you reach for cigarettes when you're feeling stressed or down? Or is your cigarette smoking linked to other addictions, such as alcohol or gambling? Start your stop smoking plan with START. Set a quit date. Choose a date within the next 2 weeks, so you can prepare without losing motivation to quit. If you smoke primarily at work, try quitting on the weekend so you have a few days to adjust. Tell family, friends and co-workers that you plan to quit. Tell your friends and family about your plan to quit smoking, and that you'll need their help and encouragement. Look for a quit friend who is also trying to quit smoking. You can help each other get through the rough times. Anticipate and plan for the challenges you'll face while quitting. Most people who begin smoking again do so within the first 3 months. You can make it easier on yourself by anticipating common challenges like nicotine withdrawal and cigarette cravings. Remove cigarettes and other tobacco products from your home, car, and work. All of your cigarettes, lighters, ashtrays and matches should be thrown away. Anything that smells like smoke should be washed and freshened. Your car should be shampooed, your drapes and carpet should be cleaned, and your furniture should be steam cleaned. Talk to your doctor about getting help to quit. Your doctor can prescribe medication to help with withdrawal symptoms. If you can't see a doctor, you can get many products over the counter at your local pharmacy, including nicotine patches, lozenges, and gum. Do you smoke to relieve unpleasant feelings? Many people smoke to cope with negative emotions like stress, depression, loneliness, and anxiety. When you are having a bad day, cigarettes may seem like your only friend. However, as relaxing as cigarettes are, it's important to remember that there are healthier and more effective ways to manage negative emotions. Exercising, meditating, relaxation techniques, and basic breathing exercises are examples of them. For many people, an essential aspect of quitting smoking is to find other ways to deal with these complex feelings without smoking. Even though cigarettes are no longer a part of your life, the painful and uncomfortable emotions that drove you to smoke in the first place will linger. Tips for avoiding common triggers. Alcohol. Many people smoke when they drink. Try to switch to non-alcoholic beverages, or drink only in places where smoking is not permitted inside. Alternatively, try snacking on nuts, chewing on a cocktail stick, or sucking on a straw. Other smokers. It's even more difficult to quit or avoid relapse when your friends, family and co-workers smoke. Tell people about your decision to quit smoking, so they know they won't be able to smoke with you in the car or during a coffee break. Find non-smokers to chat with during your breaks at work, or do something else, like go for a walk. End of a meal. For some smokers, finishing a meal entails lighting up, and the prospect of quitting smoking may appear daunting. You should, however, substitute something else for that time after a meal, such as a piece of fruit, a nutritious dessert, a square of chocolate, or a stick of gum. Manage cigarette cravings. While avoiding smoking triggers will help decrease your desire to smoke, you are unlikely to be able to completely avoid cigarette cravings. Cravings, fortunately, don't last long. Usually 5 to 10 minutes. If you are tempted to smoke, remind yourself that the urge will pass quickly and try to resist. It is beneficial to plan ahead of time and have strategies in place to deal with cravings. Distract yourself from the situation. Watching TV, showering, dishwashing, or calling a friend are all options. It doesn't matter what you do, as long as you're not thinking about smoking. Remind yourself why you wanted to quit. Concentrate on the benefits of quitting, such as better health, improved appearance, money saved, and increased self-esteem. Reward yourself. Whenever you triumph over a craving, give yourself a reward to keep yourself motivated. Preventing weight gain after you stop smoking. Since smoking suppresses appetite, many of us worry about gaining weight when we quit smoking. You may be using it as an excuse not to quit. While it's true that many smokers gain weight in the first 6 months after quitting, the gain is generally small, about 5 pounds on average, and gradually diminishes. It's also worth remembering that gaining a few pounds for a few months won't harm your heart as much as smoking. However, gaining weight after quitting smoking is not a given. Take care of yourself. Learn new ways to quickly soothe yourself, instead of turning to cigarettes or food when you're stressed, anxious, or depressed. For example, listen to uplifting music, play with a pet, or drink a cup of hot tea. Eat plenty of fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. Avoid sugary foods, sodas, and fast food. Make sure you have plenty of water. Drinking at least 6 to 8 glasses of water will help you feel full and prevent you from eating when you aren't hungry. Water also aids in the removal of toxins from the body. Take a walk. It will not only help you burn calories and keep the weight off, but it will also help you cope with the stress and anger that comes with quitting smoking. If you like this video and would like to hear more, be sure to press the subscribe button.